Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this video I'll be showing you how to make your WhatsApp to be like this, like to make your WhatsApp to have two interface like this one, so that you'll be seeing other people messages while also chatting another person, just like this one. The reason is that you make your WhatsApp to be easy for you, and it will make you to easily chat your loved ones. So if you like to make your WhatsApp like this, please stay tuned to this video and don't skip any part, because you may skip the most important part of this video. Before we start, I'm this little YouTuber, this small YouTuber. Please, I'm here to teach a lot of things that will help your phone go more faster and smarter. And also, I will be teaching you some hacks on how to make money and how to create YouTube. So all you have to do is just to subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive any video I drop. Videos like this, and even videos that are more interesting, more than these ones that I post on this YouTube. So go to your settings, make sure you have developer option. So if you have developer options, search here, or you can go to this system or any other place you can find the developer option. But if you have not turned on your developer option, you have to go back and watch this my video where I explained in details how to turn on your developer option quickly. So if you've turned on your developer option, just keep scrolling and look for the place the right smallest width. So let's go there, we're almost there. So press on the smallest width or smallest screen size, something like that. Just put it on 640. 640 is very good. You can put it at 720, you can put it at 1080, or any other screen size that you like. But for my own sites, I would prefer this 640. So once you put it, instantly you will see some changes in your font. As you can see, the font has really changed here. My phone font has really changed. So let's head over to WhatsApp now and see if the changes has really happened on the WhatsApp. Let's go to WhatsApp. So as you can see, I have messages, and let's say I'll tap on someone's this thing now. I don't want to, because of some privacies now. I would not like to. Let me use TikTok. So as you can see, I can see messages, I can see calls. It's just like I'm using my system, or I'm using my this thing, palm top or tablet. You just enjoy your WhatsApp, and this thing is also helpful while chatting. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumb up, and share this video.